Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here we are talking about the most dangerous topic, that is this city creation. And in this we have talked lots of about 20 percentage error, 22 blood cells. This topic we are going to discuss later on. Basically, it might possible that when the Asian land basically is getting divided from the whole world, basically, that time basically we might discuss that. Might discuss this topic. So another person told like that. So in this basically cyber group basically are there who are basically responsible for these 200 people, Sunil Nair story, punishment groups, this red sign given, the sound effect, each and earth planet is moving and there basically which type of sound is that, in that basically what is the war basically, each and everything here is how basically war are connected with this sound effect, each and everything basically most of things basically we have discussed. And here basically we have saw that basically 1300 city basically are of India basically, and what actually happened in that blood cells basically, and India basically got how many blood group basically. Due to that basically 1300 city basically got earthquake. And in this basically we are discussing about one topic, that is one person asked the question basically, who is the dangerous group? Who is the dangerous group basically? Dangerous group in universe basically. Then he told that yeah, that basically how basically we can use. So one of the person told that in universe basically what is the age basically of each and every people basically. Then he told that minimum basically it starts from 1 lakh. Earth planet basically, Earth planet 1 lakh year, 2 lakh year, 3 lakh year. These all are the minimum age basically in universe. Then he told that okay. In universe basically, in Earth planet basically, Earth planet group basically might be maximum it might be I think 90,000 or basically 95,000 basically, or basically 96,000 basically 100% I am not sure basically. So like this basically things are there. So one of the person asked the question basically, how basically this is getting handled basically, how basically this is getting handled. So one of the person told that basically, do you know basically nowadays basically in the modern world basically, modern world, that is modern world basically, this modern world basically how things are basically getting calculated. Then he told that basically words basically, words basically are equal to cities, and cities are equal to created by set of words and the groups basically, then the 22 blood groups. Then he told that okay basically, so do you have the list of the entire word basically of how basically the cities are created? Then he told that yes, because this is the most dangerous basically topic. So one of the person told that basically that Oxford group basically have created for India basically, for India blood group basically, they have created the Oxford University, sorry, Oxford company basically in Mumbai basically. Then he told that where is that company? But that basically need to check basically where is that company basically. That need to check basically. And mostly basically there Uttar Pradesh, Biharis and Madhya Pradesh people are working, and Maharashtrian people basically are controlling that. Marathis basically are controlling, because Mumbai is of Maharashtra basically, that's why. So one of the person told that it's like that basically. So Mumbai is of Maharashtra basically. Then he told that yes, yeah basically. So they are controlling the Mumbai. They are basically controlling the Mumbai basically. They are controlling the Mumbai basically. They are basically controlling the Mumbai. So one of the person told basically, the Oxford group basically have the words of this basically. Then he told that what basically. For example, one person died from the pneumonia. Then he told that yes basically. So do you have the list of that word basically, each and every words basically from how basically the person died from the pneumonia? Then basically he asked, basically, do you have the list of words basically which converted that person into pneumonia? Then he told that yes, basically words equal to cities basically. Words equal to cities basically. So he told that basically yes, Mumbai people have that. That's why they are ruling the Mumbai na basically. Otherwise basically who given the control to Maharashtrian people basically, and who given the control to the Uttar Pradesh, Biharis and Madhya Pradesh? Then he told the yes here basically. Then he will be responsible basically. Mostly basically he might be 100% knowing. That's why basically he's controlling na basically everything basically. Each and every death basically he's controlling. Then he told her yes here basically. Then he told that basically yeah, that actually is very dangerous thing basically you have asked, because this is connected with the religion and the caste basically. The caste and religion which is created by most of people basically, most of religion and caste is created by the European people basically. So they basically have created, and they basically has created by the, they are basically created by the German people basically. And German people says that basically we have created the Gujarati caste also basically. Gujarati caste also basically they have created. And in this basically Gujarati, lots of Kolkata, Bengalis and lots of Bangladeshis has converted into Gujaratis. Like this basically they have told that basically you do one thing, you create your caste only basically. You create Amin caste. This type of you caste create na basically. Few people basically came from the Uttar Pradesh, Bihar. They told that basically somebody told that basically you create your Parmar caste basically. Then he told that you create your Solanki caste basically. Like this basically lots of created have, lots of caste has been created. I mean. So each basically, here again we will go back to the Mumbai, that Oxford company basically. Mostly people basically 1,000 people basically might be working there basically. They are in mostly basically might be in Mumbai. That basically in Mumbai basically where they are, that basically need to check. They basically have the list of words basically which say that basically these are the words basically which is going to 100% going to convert to pneumonia, 100% going to connect to chikungunya, 100% going to connect to malaria, 100% going to connect to brain cancer, 100% going to connect to heart disease, that is heart attack, 100% going to connect to the stomach cancer, 100% going to connect to the eye cancer, 100% going to connect to the neck cancer, that is sound cancer, 100% going to connect to the ear cancer. Like this basically each and every things basically are divided with the help of the set of words basically, and that words are equal to what? That words are equal to set of cities basically. And who created the brain cancer city basically? Then it, and who created the brain cancer medicine basically? Who created brain cancer disease words? Who created brain cancer medicine of the brain cancer? Then he told that that list basically we have basically. But that basically happens when they do the certain level of activities, they consume the certain level of human needs, and after that basically they do the set of activities. Then only basically the brain cancer happens, no basically. Otherwise basically brain cancer never happens. Then he told that basically okay. And what about the heart attack basically? Then that is also same connected basically. That is also connected with the same basically. That Oxford groups are telling that look, that we are basically doing the experiment basically of that basically. Oxford group basically from sitting in the Mumbai city basically, they are telling that basically we are doing the experiment basically, and still they are basically sitting there only basically. Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh and Biharis, and which is controlled by the Maharashtrian. They are doing the experiment basically. Like this basically one of the person told. So one of the person told that do you have the list of each and every disease basically which is converted by the, which is basically created by the set of words basically, that is the city's energies? Then he told that yes, no, basically we have basically. So in next video basically we are going to see this remaining part basically, whatever things basically we are left here basically.